Hey there, you ready to roll? You hit the power button and nothing. The screen is black and your heart sinks. Before you panic about a costly repair, take a deep breath. Most of the time there's a simple fix you can do in a few minutes with zero special tools. Let's walk through a quick step-by-step diagnostics to find the cause. First, let's look at the heart of your e-bike, the battery. I know you think it's charged, but let's be sure. Press the charge indicator button on the battery itself. If you get lights, it's a good sign, but the most crucial step is checking the physical connection. Vibrations from riding can easily wiggle the battery loose. Look at the metal terminals on the battery and the contacts on the bike. Are they clean and shiny? If you see any dirt or grime, wipe them down with a clean, dry cloth. A regular pencil eraser works wonders on stubborn grime. Once it's clean, slide the battery back into the mount. Listen for a solid click to know that it's locked in tight. Now try the power button again. For many riders, this simple clean and click is all it takes. Still nothing? Let's check for a loose wire. An e-bike is a web of connections and just one can shut the whole thing down. Trace the bundle of cables from your handlebars. You'll find a series of color-coded connectors. One by one, carefully unplug them. Look inside for bent or broken pins and push them back together firmly. Next, a pro tip. The problem might be your brakes. E-bikes have a safety switch in the brake levers that cuts the power to the motor. If that switch gets stuck on, it can prevent the bike from powering up at all. To test this, find the thin wire coming out of each brake lever. Unplug the left brakes connector and try to turn the bike on. If it powers up, you found a faulty brake sensor. If not, plug it back in and do it for the same on the right side. If you've done all that and your e-bike is still a brick, try one final step, a system reset. Disconnect the main battery from the bike. Now press and hold the power button on your handlebars for about 15 seconds. This helps drain any leftover power in the system and can clear a random glitch. Wait another minute, then reconnect your battery securely and try turning it on one more time. So a quick recap. First, check that your battery is clean and clicked in tight. Second, inspect all of your main wire connections. Third, test the brake cutoff sensor by unplugging them one at a time. And finally, try a full system reset. By following these steps, you can fix the vast majority of power issues yourself. If this guide has helped you, hit the like and subscribe button for more e-bike tips. If you're still stuck, it might be time to call in a pro. Maybe I missed something that can help. Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.